other men just talk. He looks at this world and wants it all. He strikes like Thunderball. He knows the meaning of success. He needs some more, so he is less. They call him the winner who takes it all, and he strikes like Thunderball. Any woman he wants he'll get. He will break any heart without regret. His days of asking are all gone. His fight goes on and on and on, but he thinks that his fight is worth it all, and he strikes like Thunderball. Thunderball, Thunderball. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Soulfingers, back to you again for hopefully another interesting lesson preview. This is a preview of a forthcoming lesson from Tom Jones, of course, and the James Bond theme from Thunderball. Hope you enjoyed that, and will join me in a couple of days' time for the breakdown. Bye for now.